First off, today we have the Franklin Armory Binary AR Essentials equipped M4 built lower receiver with a binary trigger and the 3-way switch.
20 some odd years ago, I ran away.
Next up, we have the G-Force Arms Jawbone Hybrid pistol in 9mm.
I'm a free-born man. My home is on.
Here we have the DPMS Panther Arms Anvil 7.62 by 39mm rifle.
Every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Next up, we have the Canik SFX Rival 9mm pistol 18+1 in red and black.
Woman in Santone. I always loved the girl next door, but any place is home.
Here we have the Canik TTI Combat in smoke 18+1 rounds.
Is on my back. I know every inch of highway, every foot of back.
And last but not least, we have the Nighthawk Custom Agent 2 Commander in 45 ACP.
Well, I got me a mean woman. She didn't want to go.
We got so many new guns at the shop, you just need to come on down and take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Leave a comment if you can. Thank you for your attention.